your geography textbook for standard 8. Let's start with your first chapter, that is local time and standard time. My dear children, you have fixed routine in your life. That is, early in the morning you wake up, then you brush your teeth, then you bath, you have your breakfast, again you go to your school, there you learn something. From school you are going back to your home. After having your lunch, you will play on the playground. Then you will have your homework completed in the evening. After finishing that, you will have your dinner at night. Again you brush your teeth and you go to. During the olden days too, people had their daily routine planned. Then how did they measure time? Oh yes, during the olden days, people used to follow daily routine. They used to take the help of various natural events, that is sunrise, sunset, and Ghatika power, that is a water clock, and sand timers were used to measure the time. Now, when we think of time, how it is used to measure time on different bases on the surface of earth. When you think of time, you may think of calendars, wall clocks, wristwatches, etc. In geographical term, time is measured by morning, afternoon, evening, night, or from sunrise to sunset and from sunset to sunrise. Now, you all know that we have 24 hours. That is, one day is completed when one rotation of Earth. What do you mean by rotation? You know, Earth rotates on its own axis. The spinning of the Earth around itself is known as Earth rotation, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Earth rotates from west to east. So, we see sunrise to the east and sunset in the west. As a result of this rotation, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight. During this rotation, the western part facing the sun will experience the sunrise, and those in the eastern parts facing the sunrise will experience the darkness. When you travel in a bus or a train or any other vehicle, while traveling, you can see the trees, electric poles, building, etc. outside the window. Do they move? Actually move? No, they aren't actually moving. They are stationary. That means they are fixed in one place. But why does we see that they are moving? Why does we see these objects are moving? Because we are moving in the opposite direction. So we see that they are moving. Similarly, due to the rotation of Earth, we feel that the sun is also changing the position, but it is not changing the position from east to west daily. Do you have anybody observe the shadow in the early morning or in the evening? If yes, then while observing you can say in the early morning and in the evening it will be the longest, and while in the noon it will be very shortest. Why? Because the change in the apparent means movement, location of the sun in the sky, the length of and the direction of the shadow of the pole keeps on changing, and because of this we can see the longest shadow in the early morning and evening and shortest in the noon. As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after the sunrise, the length of the shadow, is shortened. The length of the shadow is shortened. At the noon, the length is reduced. Local time means local time is nothing but the position of the sun, that is the location of the sun at a particular place at that time is known as local time. जो टाइम में सनराइज होता है, सनसेट होता है, वो लोकेशन में उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? लोकल टाइम. Regions lying between the polar circle and poles. पोलर सर्कल और पोल्स के बीच में द डे टाइम कुड बी मोर देन 24 आवर्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सीजन. 24 आवर्स से ज़्यादा का उनको डे टाइम मिलता है. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of day last around 6 months. मतलब उनको जो डे टाइम है वो 6 मंथ तक होता है. डे 6 मंथ होता है और नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स डार्कनेस होता है. Earth rotates in 1 hour 15 degree, then in 4 minutes it will take how much? It will take 1 degree. How you will calculate? 60 divided by 15 degree, that is 1 hour is equal to how much? 60 minutes. So 60 divided by 15, then you will get how much minute? You will get 4 minutes. To complete 1 degree it takes how many minutes? 4 minutes. That means in each degree of longitude, the local time will differ by how many minutes? 4 minutes. Each longitude time it will differ by 4 minutes. Local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. So we will solve the example with the help of this prime meridian. In this example, a town in Iran, that is Mashhad, it is located on 60 degree east longitude. This is longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Now, the statement is given that as we move towards the east of prime meridian, when we move towards the east of prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes. हर एक local time में 4 minutes क्या हो जाएगा? Increase हो जाएगा. For every longitude. The difference between the longitude of Greenwich and Mashhad, that is 60 degree east. Difference in local time will be calculated by 60 degree into how much difference? 4 minutes each. So into 4. 60 into 4 is 240 minutes. Now this total 240 minutes is divided by 60 minutes, then it will come to the calculation of 4 hours. That means Mashhad would be 4 p.m. in the evening. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, Mashhad will be 4 p.m. in the evening. It will observe 4 p.m. in the evening. Manaus city in Brazil is located on 60 degree west longitude. What would be the local time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? Now statement. As we move towards the west of prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Again see the statement. As we move towards the west of prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Therefore, the difference in longitude between the two places is 60 degree, and the total difference in time, that is 60 into 4 minutes. that is equal to 240 minutes. Now this 240 minutes divided by 60 minutes, and it will come to how many hours? 4 hours. As Manus is located to the west of Greenwich, the local time of Manus is behind of Greenwich time. Greenwich time से ये क्या होगा? 4 सॉरी ग्रीनविच टाइम से ये बिहाइंड होगा, वेस्ट में है, इसी वजह से ये ग्रीनविच टाइम से ये क्या होगा? पीछे होगा इसका टाइमिंग बाय 4 आवर्स. what is the calculated hour? 4 hours. So it will be 4 hours behind, and therefore when it is noon at Greenwich, the दोपहर होता है ग्रीनविच में, it would be 8 am. हमको 12 बजे दोपहर से पीछे जाना है. 11, 10, 9, and the fourth hour is 8 am. Therefore it will be what? Manus में what will be time? It will be 8 am. When the sun is directly overhead at a place on the earth, it is noon over there. जब sun directly overhead होता है earth में, तो वहाँ पे noon हो जाता है. While telling the time between midnight and noon, that is morning and noon. Between morning and noon, we write the time as am. Like 10 am, 11 am. So that am is denoted by what? Full form of am is anti-meridian. When the longitude cross the noon time, then the time is past midday or afternoon. दोपहर के बाद वाले टाइम में till the night, we write it as what? PM. The time between noon and midnight is denoted by PM. That is, PM means what? Past meridian. Longitude lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at the longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. हमने ईरान और ब्राज़ील का एग्जाम्पल देखा था. ईरान is ahead of the time, and while when we calculated Brazil, it is behind the Greenwich time. So whenever we calculate the time, the longitude which is lying to the east will be calculated ahead of the Greenwich time, and while calculating the time with longitude lying toward the west will be calculated behind. And a distance between two longitude increases, then the local time also start difference. They also start increasing. If we multiply the difference between two longitude in degree by 4 minutes, हर एक डिग्री को 4 मिनट से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाएगा, then the difference in respective local time can be calculated. Then we can calculate the local time. That means if you take 60 degree of in a latitude, then in a longitude, then you will multiply that degree 60 into 4 minutes, then you will get the local time of that place. With the help of a globe or a map, we can learn the difference in longitude of a place. Now, in this part, you learned about the local time. In coming lecture, you will be learning about the standard time and universal time. Students, please write this example number 1 and example number 2 in your notebook along with your answers, which will be sent through PDF in your group.